Programming language. Computer programming language, page 6. A step-by-step instruction given to a computer is called a program. The process of writing a program is called programming. Each programming language has a unique set of keywords and a unique syntax that organizes the program instructions. A programming language communicates your instructions between the programmer and the computer. Evaluation of computer languages and their features. Programming languages have evolved over the years with different generations of computer, which are given below. First generation language implemented a machine language since it was directly understood by the computer. The disadvantage was that it was difficult to learn and write instructions. It was machine dependent, as a program written on one machine may behave differently on another machine. Second generation language implemented assembly language. It consisted of small instruction called mnemonic codes. These codes were used in place of zeros and one. Machine language and assembly language are referred to as low-level programming language. Third generation language implemented language similar to English, which was simple and easy to understand, but these languages are machine dependent. They are even referred to as high-level programming language. For example, COBOL, C, C++, and so on. Fourth generation language, a non-procedural programming language that requires less coding than lower level languages. Any language with English-like command that does not require traditional input process output logic falls into this category. For example, Power Builder or SQL. Fifth generation language implemented visual programming. These languages are more advanced and are developed to solve a problem without a programmer. The fifth generation language provide a graphical interface called a visual programming environment for creating source codes. These allow the users to interact with computer without the need of any specialized knowledge. For example, Prolog and Mercury. Programming languages are mainly classified as machine language, assembly language, and high-level programming language. So we should understand certain features of all these. Parameters, easy to understand. Machine language, it was directly understood by the computer. Assembly language, it consisted of a small instruction called mnemonic code. High-level programming language, this instruction written in high-level language are words in English. Required translation. Machine language, it does not require translation. It required translation of mnemonic code to machine language and vice versa. So it used an assembler for translating it. High-level programming language, it required translation of codes to machine language and vice versa. Easy to detect errors. It was very difficult to detect errors and rewrite or modify the program. It was difficult to detect errors and rewrite or modify the program. It was easy to detect errors and rewrite or modify the program since the instructions are written in English. Machine independent. It was machine independent, as the program written on one machine may behave differently on another machine. It was machine independent, as the program written on one machine may behave differently on another. It is a machine independent, as the program written or compliant on one type of computer can be executed. It is machine independent, so as the program written on one or compiled on one type of computer can be executed on a different type of computer. Thank you.